So they had to go get different equipment and ropes to handle this tree. So he ties off at the top, basically prunes it slowly. It's tied off to another part of the tree. Just check out down here real quick. Bunch of guys lowering. Let's go back up. So they've got it down to a science. Carlos is the man. So very kind of slow, right? It's nothing's happening too fast. And that's the whole idea, so that we don't damage their house or their tree, which sometimes happens. And I think it's happening right now. I think their trees. Boys, come on. Oh boy. There goes the tree. Well, maybe not. Yeah. So it's a slow process. And that's the hardest job in the world, I think. Let's check out these guys real quick. At least it's a nice day for it.